Hi guys, ito na naman tayo. So, dito tayo sa Croatia. Um, Gagawin kong Taglish to. So, I have an incident na nakaka, nakakagulat. So, naano ko lang, nahihiya ako, nagulat ako. So, I'll be doing this in Taglish. So, with some my Filipino, my own language and English. So, para makakaintindi yung mga nakapanood nito ng mga boss ko, yung mga coworkers ko. And actually, yun ang talagang topic ko for today. And this is my last day in Croatia. This video is thanking sa Intercars Croatia family ko at yung mga teammates. Let's say we're calling it teammates sa work ko. I just want to say na thank you sa lahat ng nice experience na na na-encounter ko kahit nasa 3 months lang kami dito. I want so basically you will know what I'm saying in English. So yung mga boss ko, I never noticed that when you called me up na I need to surrender yung things ko and the keys, then you open up na about this vlog. Actually, it's not a vlog, sirs. Just for filing ng memories ko. Actually, this is a raw video lang. Hindi naman siya edited. Kung ano yung feeling ko for now. Pero wala akong pinapatamaan na kung ano. Kung meron man, kalimutan niyo yun. So, forget it if there will be intentionals. It's just for my feelings na on that time or incidents na special moments, hard moments in my life. So, the thing is, they actually noticed na nagba-vlog na ako. Actually, bawal naman yung na video. I took some video, maybe around 2 or 3. When far as I know, one thing when we came as Intercars, I'm trying to distinguish the difference between the Intercars of Poland and the Intercars in Croatia. So I would say I'm more relaxed sa work namin dito sa Croatia. So, pero nothing offensive sa Intercars Poland natin. Pero it depends kasi sa activity, the lifestyle na you have, your health, your condition, your everything to make the job better. And gusto kong magpasalamat. I want to thank some people na first thing yung trainer namin ng pagpasok. I'm sorry I'm really sorry mga names na hindi ko na tandaan kasi short period of time, sometimes yung tension mo na you respect them, minsan nakakalimutan mo, natatakot ka. In due respects talaga lang yun. Kasi mostly ganun lang kami pag may mga boss na as Asians, respect, medyo mataas ang respect namin sa inyo. And yung syempre iba yung culture natin. I'm trying to figure out na paano ma-understand yung culture nyo, yung Croatian culture, the language. I wanted to learn more about the language, but when we entered the company, there are different nationalities. So if you're learning one language, it will be mixed up with another language with another nationality. So some words like Croatian language are more. They say they have similar words or sa Ukrainian words. Sometimes there are same like Polish. We came from Poland, so some little words are the same. So medyo nagahalo. It's coming to mix it up with my mind, but still I want to learn. And what else experience I had? I'm talking to other people also, learning. It's like students. They're accepting students also. Yung students doon. I met some. I wouldn't name some names anymore. So maybe much better na lang to be safe. Yung trainers ko, yung mga trainers, naging trainers, the trainers na nag-train, the trainers who trained sa mga new people. I hope you're okay, and the people who are on the manager's table who paid us, clients and everything. Good luck. I hope na you're having good times. The warehouse guys, bringing the green boxes, and even the some people who are working the batch sa shift. Yan. So people's there working. I met some people also there, girls, boys, and I'm really sorry if other people's hindi ko ma-mention, but I'm I'm glad talaga. I'm really glad na in my 3 month stay, I hope I can come back, stay longer, and mingle. Actually, I don't know if it's right to mingle sometimes in work. So definitely we need to take a little break, just little break, to have some chatting, to know each other inside the premises of the work environment. So the Ukrainian people who work from Intercars, the Nepals, who are Croatians, Bangladesh, what else? Now this is my last few hours, so later I'll be leaving. Actually, my things are packed already. I'll be missing you guys. I'll be missing you. Yung special moments na yun, happy moments na sa akin na yun. One thing, and the guys who who I met also from prison. From prison. I knew. I come to meet them also. I hope you take care. I wish you somehow when you get out in prison, um, you will be better. God loves you, and the other people who I met, we may not see each other. We may not see each other, but the thing is, I'm hoping that I can hear something more about you in the future. Mm, maybe after 5 years, I can hear about you. You're doing good and everything. Basta take care. Thank you very much, Croatia. Bye.